You and Dad hooked up. Ever talk to you about his vision? About what he wanted from the club?
His vision was, what it is. A brotherhood. Family.
Running guns? You want that?
We never talked about that. Why?
Found a box of his old shit in the storage unit. There's like pictures and journals and things I never knew about him.
What kind of things?
It seemed like his original idea for the MC was something simpler. Social rebellion. He called it a Harley commune. It wasn't outlaw, it was real hippie shit.
We had a lot of bright ideas back then. We were kids. Your father became a man. Men take care of business.